guys, welcome back. So today I'm here with Cynosure Hair again. My third time with Cynosure Hair. This is a company where I'm pretty impressed with the quality that I've received so far. So I'm pretty excited about this week today. By the way, yeah, I did my nails. Didn't do any video this time though. I just didn't get around to it. I was in a bit of a rush at the time, so it didn't work out, but I'll try for the next time because I know you guys love to see it. Alright, so this is what came in the bag. As you can see today, I did not get a box. I got a like drawstring bag. We have the hair, we got a wig cap, we got like a pamphlet with their social media, different hair that they have, how to care the hair, just information on their hair and stuff. I got a pair of lashes. I always love getting the lashes. I have a drawer filled with lashes right now. The drawer can't even hold the lashes, like, so I have even more of it outside. And yeah, that's all the extra stuff that came in the package. Now here's the hair. This is 22 inches long. A little bit of information is right here. Oh, by the way, if you guys are wondering about my nail, it's not broken. I deliberately did this nail this short for texting purposes. I know, so I did this nail this short deliberately, but yeah. Anyways, actually a 360 wig. You can see that it's a medium brown color and it's pre-plucked. Always love a pre-plucked wig. It's also Brazilian. This is Brazilian. It's 22 inches long, as I mentioned before, and it's 150% in density. It has 4 combs or 3 combs on the inside. You can always remove those if you want the wig to lay flatter. And it also has adjustable straps in the back. Yeah, today I feel like I really want to do like a half up, half down. Vibe it straight, by the way, and it feels so good. It feels so silky. I love this. This is very smooth. Okay, so as you can see, I went ahead, slipped it on, and I'm so inspired by the WAP video looks. Okay, I'm inspired by the looks. Like, I feel like every scene of that video, they were just switching it up. My hairstyle today definitely is inspired by WAP. Okay. And that would be the signature swoop, you know, updo look. So that's the vibe that I want to go for today. So let's just go ahead and start applying this.
Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
So I did go ahead and get a little glam. Of course, it's giving me, you know, the 90s vibe. And you guys know that the swoop is trending. I'm just gonna kind of like part out the portion that I want to do my swoop with. And then I'm gonna do like a ponytail.
Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, cause you know I will stay around. So let me know.
So this is a portion that I'm gonna use for my swoop. Right, I'm kind of just sectioning it off. So I'm not gonna do a complete updo. You definitely could go ahead and do that, but I'm not gonna do that today, especially because it's a 360 wig and it's summertime. Again, another convenient wig for the summertime. I'm gonna get my wax stick to kind of just press down the flyaways and stuff, and my hot comb. Pressing that in like it's your own hair. That's so flat. So as you can see, for their hairstyle, they definitely had more hair, so they could do the big extravagant bun. But for me, I'm not gonna be doing that bun. As I said, it's inspired. It's not identical, so my bun is going to be like so regular. Let me work on my swoop. So one thing to ensure that your swoop lays flat is your wax stick and your hot comb. Yep, or you could use a little hairspray too if you don't want to use the wax stick, and just go at the roots and then like just flatten it out. 'Cause I can see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know it's where I should go. You down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you. This so much. The fact that the hair is so silky, and of course the straight texture really helped with styling. I didn't even go through this with the flat iron or anything. See my little wonky bun. But I mean, yeah, definitely WAP inspired, definitely. As I said, it's not identical, so please don't judge me with it being like identical. It's just inspired the whole swoop 90s like updo vibe. I think it's so cute. I really just think it's so cute, like honestly. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this look, inspired hair look. Go ahead, give it a thumb up if you know enjoyed it. I'm going to put all the specifications down below in the description box on this lovely wig. So Cynosure Hair, once again, big up on yourself. Y'all came through with the quality once again. Alright, the hair is like butter. I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go on, big up on yourself. Bye.